Hey guys, Arnold Brod here with Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, you will learn the 6 top food choices to beat erectile dysfunction. If you have any questions about this video or any of the videos on my channel, just text or call me at 609-410-4790. Now, let's see what we have today. For the most part, erectile dysfunction is a lifestyle issue. You know, the stuff you hear all the time. Eat right, get exercise, control your weight, stop smoking, and cut down on alcohol. But for now, instead of just trying to tackle all of those things, and so not to get overwhelmed, let's just look at diet. As you know, there are countless diets out there, and they all claim to be the best. And they all claim to give you the quickest results. But the question you really want to ask yourself is, what do you want from an eating plan that's designed for you? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to have more energy? Do you want to reduce inflammation? Or do you want to improve your circulation and cardiovascular system? Of the countless diets out there, research has found a few that actually give exceptional long-term results. And what is most interesting is that they seem to have many of the same things in common. So here are 6 things that you can use to put your own eating plan together suited for you. Number 1, low in added sugar. There is universal agreement that a high intake of added sugar is unhealthy. And most successful diet plans recommend limiting it or cutting it out. Number 2, drop refined carbs. All successful diets cut refined carbs and refined grains such as wheat flour. And some diets like paleo and low carb actually ban grains altogether. Number 3, avoid vegetable oils that are high in omega-6 fat. Many diets actually encourage lower intake of omega-6 rich vegetable oils. 2 omega-6 oils are soybean and canola oil. Number 4, drop artificial trans fats. Trans fats are made by hydrogenating vegetable oils. Many studies show a link to inflammation and conditions like heart disease. Trans fat use is limited or actually banned in many countries, including the United States. Number 5 is have a diet high in vegetables and fiber. All successful diets emphasize eating plenty of vegetables and, in most cases, fruit. These foods are high in antioxidants and have healthy prebiotic fibers. And 6, focus on foods instead of calories. Most successful diets emphasize a lifestyle change that includes whole foods. And they say, let weight loss follow as a natural side effect. If you can focus on these 6 steps, you will find an eating plan that is satisfying and easy to maintain. The plan that you make up will also start healing the damage to your circulatory system. And this damage is the root cause of your erectile dysfunction. Want to learn a simple way to eliminate erectile dysfunction? Then just click on the link Natural ED Repair that's below this video. And to be notified of new videos, just click the like button and be sure to subscribe to my channel.